Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through an easy guide on how to use Zoho Social. So to get started with a quick analysis on how to use Zoho Social. Getting started with Zoho Social is easy and powerful. After signing up, connect your social channel like Facebook, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Pinterest, together with TikTok and more to your Zoho brand. The dashboard gives a clear overview, recent posts, brand health metric, and a live stream interaction. You can also compose posts using the publish tab, then schedule them or let a smart queue suggest optimal time. Great for consistent and effective posting across platforms. The intuitive content calendar makes planning a breeze. Engaging with your audience and collaborating as a team is seamless. The inbox monitor features help you manage mention, comment, messages in one place while saved replies and assignment tools boost efficiency. For team workflow, Zoho Social support roles approval pipeline and a real-time discussion directly in the platform. Reporting is robust. You can generate optimize analytics, export brand PDFs, and a schedule automated report to track reach management, engagement, and a content performance. And here's a very conclusion. Zero Social offer an all-in-one experience for 2025, combining easy scheduling and a smart analytics collaborative workflow, and together with the multiple platform posting. It's ideal for growing brands and teams that want a strong social media management without a technical complexity. And that's it.